Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Linen wallet. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, launch open the Linen wallet application, and once you're inside this page, if you go ahead and look through the settings option, you will not be able to find the logout option. So in order to log out of your wallet, all you need to do is to force close the application. Push off from the bottom of your screen and make sure that you see this app card. Now, push off the app card upwards in order to close it off from your background. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out or force close your Linen wallet application. If you ever wish to log into your account, you'll now need to enter your passcode since it is passcode protected. Simply enter your passcode for your wallet and then you will be able to get access to it back again. But remember that you must remember your passcode every time you log into the account. So that's how you can easily log out of your Linen wallet application within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.